What's up you guys, this is your boy Shoaib from Who is Shobby. Before starting up, let me inform you, underrated class is now Who is Shobby. Why Who is Shobby? I don't know why Who is Shobby. In this video I'm going to show you how you can shoot and edit dope ass flatlays using your mobile phone. So let's begin. I'll be using this bad boy which is OnePlus 5T. I got these wooden planks and a white paper as backdrops. We'll be using this book and cup as props. Got this diffuser which will diffuse the light coming out from the window. Let me set up everything quickly and get some pictures. The setup will be so simple, just to give you guys an idea about it. While getting the pictures, make sure your phone is horizontal enough so that the pictures looks straight and clean. Here are some pictures straight from the camera. Let's move to the setup number 2 now. In this we will be using a white paper as a backdrop. It's okay if the paper has crumples in it, we can fix it in the post. This is somewhat the cheapest backdrop you can get in the market. This will cost around only 10 rupees and makes your picture worth thousands. Here are some pictures straight from the camera. So now let's move to the editing part. I'll be using Snapseed to edit all these pictures. I feel like it's more than enough, but if you want to color grade your pictures, you can use Lightroom also. After importing the picture, I'll rotate it first and then quickly color correct it. After that, I'll straighten up the picture by using perspective tool if it's not straightened, and I'll crop it to the Instagram ratio. And then I'll use selection tool to brighten up and maintain the same exposure in the whole picture. After that comes the main part, which is the details tool. Pull down the structure all over to -100 and go back and tap to edit stack icon. Then tap view edits, then structure, and now start selecting only the paper area by brushing carefully. And make sure the opacity is maximum. That's it, you can see some impressive results now. Here are the before and after edit of some pictures. And yes, if any of these tips works out for you, make sure to tag me on Instagram while posting your picture. I'll give you a shout out if I found it interesting. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back with some dope videos. Till then, peace.